Hello, Cleveland, and everyone from everywhere else. Welcome to your 10-minute TA, and let's get right into the charts. So, yesterday we were looking at it right around here before it had broken under this local support or minor support, whatever you want to call it, here on the 90-minute chart. We'll change that over to red now that that has been broken and turned into resistance once again. Now we are struggling. I say we, but I really mean BTC. The BTC price is struggling with this 95.2-ish level that we have held as support for a couple days now. Broke over it a few days ago, and it's struggling to hold it over now. We actually lost it, but has it been flipped? Well, it'll be flipped when this candle closes under it. So the bulls need a bounce here to maintain that as support. However, we still have one more major support level below that of 94,000. Now, we talked about this yesterday. If 94K can hold, or if 95.2 can hold, then that's still putting in a higher low. Here, we can see that on the 6-hour chart here. If that higher low maintains, that's a good sign because that follows this higher high that was also formed. Now, higher low followed by higher high means that we'll likely see, a higher high followed by a higher low means that we'll likely see another higher high after it. So maybe, something like that. Hopefully. We'll see though. You never know. Anything can happen here. And as we were talking about yesterday, we're still in this bear flag on the 6-hour chart. We did not break over the invalidation level that we've talked about for a little while now, since back here on this December 20th when we broke under it. Well, we are actually talking about it more so here at some point at the end of December. And didn't invalidate the bear flag. The bear flag's still there. The measured move now brings the bear flag down to 86K. We talked about that yesterday. If 94 cannot hold, then expect 80. Well, expect a stop here at the 89.8 level. But barring that one holding, like if 89.8 can't hold as support, and the bulls can't bounce from there, then yeah, we're going to see that drop all the way down to 86K. Now, take a quick peek at the daily here. This double bottom is now invalidated. Now, it could still become a triple bottom, 1, 2, 3, but it's more so looking like an inverted head and shoulders pattern. Well, it could be a possible inverted head and shoulders pattern if the bulls can find support at 94, and that would put in the shoulder. The bulls can find support at 94, bring it back up to 99.6, or even a little bit higher where we were at like 104 a couple days ago. Can bring it back up to 104. Well, that would create that inverted head and shoulders. That would have a measured move of measured from the top of the head, or the bottom of the head in this case, to the shoulder line, move that to the shoulder line, and we would have a measured move of about $112,000. Now, hey, hopefully the bulls can hold here. That's necessary. Remember, the bulls need to hold 94 to put in this inverted head and shoulders. Otherwise, we're going to see this bear flag play out down to 89, the bottom of the flag itself first, 89.8, and then if 89.8, 90,000 can't hold, we're going to see it drop all the way to 86, like we were just talking about. Now, if it drops to 86, we can look at these fib retracements here on the on the daily chart. Apologies. We can look at the fib retracements here on the daily chart, and we'll see that that would bring it about in between the 50% retracement and the 618% retracement. Not quite down to the golden pocket, but close enough to the 618 that we could expect a reversal from there. Why do I expect a reversal and continued bullishness in this cycle? Why do I think it's still going to go up? Well, mainly because of nation state buying. Trump's got elected. Trump has said he's going to start buying Bitcoin. His cabinet is pro Bitcoin. He's pro Bitcoin. The US government and other large countries are going to start buying Bitcoin. The supply of Bitcoin has never been lower. And if you've ever taken an economics class and you know about supply and demand, when there's a lot of demand, nation states, companies, people like you and me, but there is no more supply being made, that's going to make the price increase. Now, besides that, we're also still this bullish divergence here. We're going to change that back because, hey, that kind of played out already. You can see that now we're seeing higher lows on the RSI, showing confluence between it and price action, where also we are seeing a possible higher low. I also wanted to point out one more little bullish signal here on the 6-hour chart. Seeing possible, just possible because the bottom's not in here yet, but possible bearish div or a hidden bearish div as RSI puts in flat lows pretty much, while price action might be putting in a much higher low. That would signal bullish, hidden bullish divergence on the 6-hour chart, possibly saying that we're going to see quick reversal. However, the Stokes being stuck down here at 0 and the 90-minute Stokes showing downwards momentum while the RSI is very weak, and the RSI being weak here kind of tells me that to be more bearish than bullish right now. So yeah, I'm watching for that drop down, that I'm watching for that 94 level to lose, for that 94 support level to be flipped. If the daily candle here gets under 94 today, and then we see tomorrow open there, well, then we'll still be in the same position we're in tomorrow with a higher low and blah blah blah, still looking at the same thing, but the likelihood of dropping will have increased. Right now I'd say we're still like 50-50. The bulls could catch here and turn it around. We could see a V-shaped recovery, but the bears also have a chance to just drop it down. So let's see what happens. V-shaped recovery, or follow this red line down. Yeah. 50-50. I do want to just talk about one more thing. I just want to say, get your coins off of exchanges, because like I was talking about the how everyone's buying Bitcoin, nation states, people like you and me, everybody, and there's not a lot of Bitcoin left on exchanges. Well, what do you think the exchanges are going to do when people do start withdrawing? Well, and if they don't have enough Bitcoins or USDCs or Sols or whatever's, XRPs, Ethereums, ETHs, whatever, if they don't have enough, then they're going to halt withdrawals. And you're not going to be able to get at your money when you want to get at your money. It'll be an issue for you. That's why you always got to keep your coins off exchange. Cold storage is preferable, but if you can't afford a cold storage wallet, get a hot wallet. They're free. They're on your phone. I recommend Phantom. Trust Wallet is also another good one. MetaMask. Those are the three kind of main players that can connect to most networks that you need to connect to. Not financial advice though. Do what you want. I am not a financial advisor. But thank you for watching. Music courtesy of Luminist and Sax Squatch. Much love. See ya later.